If we want to think about alternatives for energy. And one of the alternatives is using biomass grasses. We can produce like 1 billion dry tons of energy from this renewable source of energy, and approximately 38% of these would be from grasses.
By 2050, the world population will be 9.7 billion. So that need a lot of food to feed this population. And also the energy usage will increase 50% by 2050.
You can study these biomass grasses through Brachypodium distachyon. The Brachypodium distachyon is a grass model system, which means that it is easier to study and to use it for research than other grasses. So I'm doing a genome-wide summary of these mutants for the grass Brachypodium distachyon. So part of that is because it's just easy to grow in a laboratory, and then you quickly get more seeds. And if you're interested in a grass that is harder to work with, then you can just use Brachypodium distachyon and insert the part of the DNA that you're interested in from another grass. JGI has a website called Phytosome, where you can go through the entire genome, and then you go position by position, and it'll tell you about each individual mutation. And then they used these things called mutations to change the DNA of Brachypodium distachyon. So they caused mutations. Then they sequenced the entire genome. And so what I do is I look at what are these mutations, right, that were caused? And I ask questions like, how many of these mutations caused a nucleotide change from T to C? Or I also wonder how many of them have mutations that are probably going to cause that C to not grow well? There's a lot we still don't know about grass biology. There's a lot we do know, but there's a lot more that we can learn. When you think the science will have long impacts, it's nice and it's motivating, and it's a connection to the outside world where you know that what you're doing will be useful